a terrible group host. You're a terrible group host. It's your ride, and you left every motherfucking body. You're terrible. Terrible.
No.
You're a terrible group host, bro.
I was trying.
Terrible, bro.
I was trying, and then he passed me. So
I swear to God, nobody knows. Before we left, I said one thing: just keep it tight. Nobody knows fucking me to keep it tight. The fuck?
I fucking heard it.
Let me tell you something. I hope all just left a gap. Y'all motherfuckers left a gap.
Yeah, they did.
You better know the meaning of keep it tight. Get the fuck, bro.
Beginning of the season, people.
Now listen, I'm not gonna wait for these motherfuckers all day though, but that's another thing.
No,
Listen, as soon as we got on the highway, at one point I didn't go faster than 85, and I thought the motherfuckers could go.
This is my first time on a
I'm trying to be nice, man.
I'm on a you guys are
Hey, you can keep up. You can keep up.
Yeah.
All right, fuck this motherfucker. Let's go.
All right.
They might have turned around for a while, though.
Fuck it.